You're planning to extend your stay in Thailand and wanting to get another 30 days visa? It's very easy, guys. Just do it yourself so you can save money. It's 1,900 baht total for extension instead of paying agencies that offers visa extension for 3 to 5K baht. Okay, so just go to immigration office. We have one here in Pattaya. So the requirements are just a photocopy of your passport page, latest visa page, and your EM30. Just make sure that before you extend, check your visa expiration. You better extend it before it expires, or else they will charge you. I think it's 500 baht per day. And yeah, so here's the steps. Just go to immigration, get your visa extension form from the information desk, fill it up, submit along with the documents, and the information desk officer will give you a queue number. Just go inside the immigration window, wait for your queue, pay 1,900, and then that's it. Just wait for your passport by an hour or two, or you can pick it up the next business day. Enjoy your stay.